Hi guys, welcome to Chickadee. It's springtime and we definitely need to draw some colorful things seen during this time of the year. So let me show you how to draw this cute ladybug taking shelter under a mushroom and teasing the baby shroom by pretending to be a mushroom itself. Let's get started. Starting with the big mushroom's cap, draw a nice big dome form. It need not be straight or symmetrical, just a nice organic dome form. Now from here, draw a line slightly curved inwards. This is the area where the mushroom's gills are present. Now draw a similar dome but smaller in size. No need for it to be straight or symmetrical. Now for the ladybug, draw a similar dome, slightly smaller in size. This needs to be straight and symmetrical, like this. Add a round head. Back to the mushroom, draw a stem like this, two curved or bent lines, slightly tapered at the top. Same for the smaller one. And another empty stem on which the ladybug is resting. Now for the patch of grass, leave some gap and draw a slightly curved line like this. And extend both the ends upwards and join them with pointy grass-like lines. Now done with the overall composition, let's get back to the details. The legs of the ladybug. And separate the wings by drawing a sharp V here. Two antennae and obvious polka dot pattern on the body. Don't forget the face. A smile and eyeballs pointing towards the mushroom, the baby mushroom. Similarly, the baby mushroom's eyes are pointed towards the ladybug. And a wide open mouth. And the mama mushroom, totally unaware and happy to shelter anyone and everyone. Two closed eyes and a smile. A small grass-like detail here. This is called the ring. Now drawing some lines over here. These are called the gills. Don't forget the polka dot scales on the surface. Fun fact, the gills on the mushroom are not as same as the fish gills. These gills produce something called spores, and the wind scatters all these spores around on the ground, causing more mushrooms to grow. That's interesting, right? Finally, some dripping rainwater. Time for black outlines and coloring. Use the same black for the polka dots on the ladybug for its head as well. Red for the mushroom caps and the ladybug's body. Light brown for the stems and the gills and the scales. Blue water and green grass. Finish off with the shading and done. Here's the final look. I hope you love doing this. Please like, share and subscribe for more cute ideas like this.